Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So after yesterday night's heavy snowfall, time has come to shovel the snow because we are legally required to do so. So I have to clear the walkway near to me. So thank God it has not been too much of heavy, so I can still shovel it. And for the remaining, what I will do, I'll pour salt over it so that things work nicely. Because had it been like previous snowstorms, it would take hours at least to clean, and that's very much like full of labor. I definitely don't wanna do that. But this I must do, so I'm doing. Thanks for watching.